Excellent. Look at the display on the bike. It looks like brand new. Alright guys, looks like a Easter bunny bring me my present from Amazon. This particular one came from Germany. Carpuride waterproof navigator. I'm supposed to go with DMD2. I'm going to put the link up there just in case you want to follow it, but you know, this is, I watched a couple of videos, I read the specifications, and this is much simple, much more simple. So I'm going to be using also my iPhone. So this one, it has CarPlay. It's a 7-inch display, IPS touchscreen, TFT voice controls, CarPlay, IP67, almost waterproof, Android Auto, Bluetooth. Okay. You know, I want something simple for like everyday navigation and everything because I'm using my phone a lot. Plus, I have a TomTom Rider backup GPS, 500, 550. If you go back to my reviews, I'm not going to change that TomTom Rider because it's just simple. We like simplicity in our life. So this is the reason I got this one. So let's open it. Oh, that's not bad. Check this out. It's already connected. Well, we're gonna find out later. But it looks like decent quality. Probably ABS. RAM mount connection. This is why another reason I got this one too. Okay, and I'm gonna use this for. I'm gonna connect this to the Beamer, and the other one I'm gonna connect to the Harley, so I can switch. So let's see what is in here. We'll get the USB connection. Okay, I have already put a couple of USBs on the Harley, so I can use this one. Very good quality. It has a little cover to keep it waterproof. Nice. And let's keep it here. This is like a raw mount style, but you know, I have my raw mounts on the bike already. This is like heavy, so feels good quality, except this is plastic, I think, or aluminum. Alright, a little rubber here so it won't get sleepy. Lug nuts, very important. Okay, we're gonna test this too. Something else is in here. A fuse. There's a little spanner here. And the manual. Wiring diagram. Alright. Very nice. It's in English. And looks like it's really well done with instructions and everything. iOS for iPhone. Okay. Volume settings. Looks like a very nice manual. The connections to the bike. How to use the Bluetooth call and blah blah blah. Okay. Let's see the size of it, compare it with the Pro Max. It's not too bad. Okay, this is iPhone 14 Pro Max, so you can see the difference. Okay, voice controls, music, TF card. You can put I think up to 128 gigabytes, but I'm gonna check this to make sure. Comparability, IP67 Bluetooth. Very nice. Alright, so you know what? Let's put it on the bike and turn it on and start doing some testing. Okay. Okay, this is my helpers. This is Crown and this is Harley. It looks like they're going to help me to do the installation. Basically, it's a little bit windy today, but you know what? We're going to give it a try. We're going to be installing this on the Beamer. Okay, I'm going to run the wire from here. Always take power from your battery with a relay and a fuse. Ah, here you go. This is my helper here. Hi, Harley. Say hi to everybody. Say hi to everybody. Yeah, okay, baby. And I have a locator for her here. Alright, I'm gonna just put the tower here for her because she likes to watch. Alright. And what I have here, let me show you. This is the relay, and I told you before, the relay activates from that fuse that the BMWs have on my year, at least. On the new ones I think they have it on the right side, but this is where it takes the command. So when I turn on the ignition, this gives command to all the electrical. And I have an extra connector here for just in case, and this is the just in case. So we're going to connect everything. We're going to connect the display to that connector. I'm going to have a wire tester like this one. We're going to be using a multimeter. It's tested, I have it for years. Check it out. You remove that, it has a pointer. Excellent. Alright, so we're looking here, we got power here. I have removed this cover. It's really easy. It just has this rubber inserts. And looks like I got it. On this side we have plenty of cable. I'm going to show you a couple of tricks. I'm using an aircraft carry and press it and compress tool. I have it for like, I don't know, 20-25 years, and I always use these. Now you're not going to find this in Europe, you're going to find that in the States. Okay, we'll use this for our aircraft, for our airplanes. Okay, so these are really good quality. Check it out. I'm talking about if we use this on airplane, you can imagine how secure they are on the motorcycle. Okay, check it out. So if you don't find this in Europe, you can find similar quality on marine subs, something like that, 4 connectors. Okay, don't use nothing else. Don't use the cheap stuff. If you use the cheap stuff, you will pay the price. Trust me. I used to be an airplane instructor for light aircraft and gliders. Alright, so we're gonna be doing this. Now these are a little bit too thin, so I'm gonna, you know, fold it. This will save you a lot of time. And before I do anything else, I'm just gonna finish the connections. You have to put it exactly here. And this has to come out a little bit from here, like 1/16 of an inch or 1 millimeter or something. And then press it really good. Okay, this time is good. Now we're going to be doing the same to the ground, just in case I want to put one on the Beamer. This is very convenient. Check it out. Alright, 2 USB, and I can bring them up front. So the unit came with this one. Alright. I'm not going to use it because I have already installed it onto the bike. Start getting hot. So I'm going to be putting the battery maintainer to do all the testing, so I don't have to run the engine. Alright, let's turn around. This is my first time we're doing it together. Nice. Very nice. Wow. You know what? Oh, this is a nice display. It's very sunny today. Well, we are under the cover, but... Alright, so let's bring the iPhone. And it's really, it looks like very simple. I have already connected the iPhone to my helmet. I use the Carpuride Edge. Alright, so I'm not going to do nothing with that. I'm just going to connect it to the iPhone. So let's look at it again. This is the connection we just did. Alright. I'm going to put probably the screen slow down a little bit so you can read it. It has the power button here. It has an SD card here. And the clapping interface, they call it. Alright, then the next thing is to connect it with the iPhone, iOS phone. Alright, if you have an Android, you move to another section here about Android phone. Alright, right here. We're going to be going here. This is a 14 Pro Max. Audio display off, settings, Bluetooth, maybe here. Alright, let's see if we can find it. It's already here. The Carpuride. Okay. It says here the bottom one, the one with the number. I'm going to click on that. It's doing something. Pair. Okay. CarPlay, yes. CarPlay, yes. I just give permission, you turn off already. Unbelievable. Look at that. Looks like a nut. Go to I can play my list. This is nice. You know what? I'm going to bring my helmet, but it's connected. All right, let's look again. We have maps here. I can actually go. Wow. It's working. Let me try another one. I'm using maps right now, not Google Maps. Alright, so let's see if I'm gonna use, can I use Google Maps or no? Google Maps right here. Look at that. Alright, you know what? This is nice. Let me go bring my helmet. Alright, so I'm gonna be using, this is my helmet. I use LS2 carbon and the Carpuride Edge. Turn it on. Phone connected. Okay, so what I have done is I have reset completely the intercom. I'm talking about the Carpuride Edge, alright. I press the three buttons and reset it factory reset. Okay, so I did the connections again, and it works. Hey Siri, call home. All right. 1, 2. I'm calling my number. Yeah, it works. So let me get this off. The display is extremely nice. Okay, I have a little problem with the connection, so we're gonna go for a part 2. It's already connected to the CarPlay right here, the iPhone. Okay, well, let's see. I'm gonna turn off the intercom. The intercom is connected to the iPhone. Phone connected. All right. Let's play the music. Hey Siri, weather report.
Partly cloudy and 19 degrees. Expect clear skies starting tonight. Temperatures are heading down from 18.
Nice. Okay. Hey Siri, call home. It's working. The thing is, let me see here if I can listen to the sound. Yes, it's connected somehow. All right, so I'm going to leave it like that. And the last test is alright, nice. With this thick glove, this is my winter gloves. As you can see, I can actually work on these gloves. I'm not wearing these gloves all the time, but as you can see, you know, they're working. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Excellent. Look at the display on the bike. It looks like brand new. See you later. Subscribe, more to come.